So we look at exercise 12.7, rate of changes. Uh, the y is this one. So x increased at a rate of 0.05 unit. So this sentence, x increased at a rate of this per second, that means this is dx dt equal to 0.05. So the question wants us to find the rate of changes of y, that is the dy dt when the x equal to 4. So over here we can find the dy dx. So the dy dx is 2x minus 5. So we want to find dx dt. So the dy dt, I move, okay, I write it this way, dy dt. Then we substitute with the dx here. So the dy dt is equal to dy dx multiplied with dx dt. So dy dx is 2x minus 5 and the dx dt is 0.05. Okay, so we want to find the dy dt when x equal to 4, then this will become 2 times 4 minus 5 times 0.05. So we have the 0.15 unit per second. So question number 2, y connected by this one. So we rewrite the equation of y. So the y is equal to x plus x minus 5 to the power of half. Okay, so x increased at the rate of 0.01. So that is the dx dt is 0.1. So find the rate of change of y when x equal to 9. So the dy dx is 1 plus half x minus 5 negative half and 1. So it's 1 plus 1 over 2 square root x minus 5. So the dy dx when the x equal to 9 is 1 plus 1 over 2 square root 9 minus 5. So 2, 1, so it's 5 over 4. Okay, so the dy dt is the dy dt. So dx here. So the dy dx is 5 over 4. dx dt is 0.1. Okay, so we have the 0.5 over 4, 5 over 14, 1 over 8. Okay, so it's 1 over 8 unit per second. So variable x and y connected by this equation. So x increase at a rate. So we have the dx dt is 0.2. So the dy dx is the x minus 3, x plus 5 power 2, 1, plus the x plus 5 power 3, 1. So this will become x plus 5 square, 3x minus 3 plus x plus 5. So this is x plus 5 square. So this is 3x. This one we have the 3x minus 9 plus x plus 5. Okay, so it is 4x minus 4. So it's 4x plus 5 square, x minus 1. So the dy dx when x equal to negative 4 is 4, negative 4 plus 5 square, and then we have the negative 4 minus 1. So we have negative 20. So the dy dt equal to dy dt dx dx here. So it's negative 20 times 0.2, so it's negative 4 units per second. So question number 4, y increase at a rate. Oh, so this is y increase at a rate. So this is actually the dy dt is 0.1. So we have the y is 5, 2x minus 1 to the power of negative 1. So the dy dx is negative 5, 2x minus 1 square 2. It will become negative 2, 10 over 2x minus 1 square. Okay, so the dy dx when x equal to negative 2 is negative 10, 2 times negative 2 minus 1 square. Okay, so 25. So this is 2 over 5. So we want to find the dx dt. It is dx dt. Then we have the dy here. So we know that the dy dx is 2 over 5. So the dx dy will become 5 over 2. Okay, because it's 1 over this one. So this is 5 over 2 multiplied with 0.1. So 1 over 10. So it's 0.5 over 2, that is 1 over 4. Okay, unit per second. This is negative here. This is negative. This is negative. So the answer is negative. Okay. So we have dy dx. This one dy dx is negative 5 over 2. But over here we want the dx dy. So the dx dy is actually the 1 over dy dx. So the dx dy is 1 over dy dx. So it will become 1 over negative 2 over 5. It will become negative 5 over 2. Okay. So for question number 5, we have y equal to 2x over this one. So this is u over v. So x increase at a rate. So this is the dx dt equal to 2. So we want to find the dy dx, x squared plus 3, 2 minus 2x, and the whole thing divided by the x squared plus 3 squared. So it will become 2x squared plus 6 minus 4x squared over the x squared plus 3 squared. So it is 6 minus 2x squared over x squared plus 3 squared. So the dy dx when x equal to 1, 2 minus 2 times 1 square over 1 square plus 3 square. 4 over 4 square, that is 1 over 4. So the dy dt is the dy dt. So we have the dx here. So the dy dx is actually 1 over 4 times 2. So it will become 1 over 2 units per second. Okay. Question number 6. So this is u over v also. So the dy dx is x minus 1, 2 minus 2x minus 5, 1. And the whole thing we have the x minus 1 squared. So we have the 2x minus 2 minus 2x plus 5. And the whole thing divided by the x minus 1 squared. So we have the 3 over x minus 1 squared. So the dy dx when y equal to 1. So y equal to 1, then we have 1 equal to 2x minus 5 over x minus 1. So we have the x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 5. So we have 4 equal to x. So when x equal to 4. So it will become, so this is x equal to 4. 3 over 4 minus 1 squared. So it will be 1 over 3. So the dy dt equal to dy dt. So dx here. So increase. So this is the dx dt. So 1 over 2 multiplied with 0 0.02. Okay, then it will become 1 over 115 50 units per second. So we have the 0 0.02 divided by 3, 1 over 150. Yes. Right. For this one, question number 7, okay, it's not written as the equation y equal to 1. So we have to rewrite this as a function of y as a fx. So what we can do here is we multiply with the LCM of the denominator so that we don't have fraction here. So we have two ways to solve this one. Okay, one is multiply with the LCM of the denominator. So denominator we have 8xy. So we multiply with 8xy, 8xy, 8xy. Then the y cancel, 8 cancel, x cancel. Then we have the 8x equal to xy minus 16y. So we can factorize y here. So we have the y x minus 16, 8x. So the y is 8x over x minus 16. This is method number 1. So we also have method number 2. This one is slightly difficult if you are not strong in algebraic. So we want to minus these two. The denominator is different. So I multiply with 8 here and I multiply with x here. Then it will become x minus 16 over 8x. This is 1 over 1. So I multiply here, and then this one divide here. Then I will have the y equal to 8x over x minus 16. So we can find the dy dx here. So the dy dx, so this is actually u over v. This is u over v. So we have the x minus 16 multiply with 8 minus 8x 1 and the whole thing divided by the x minus 16 squared. So x minus 16 squared. So we have the 8x minus this one 16 times 8, 128 minus 8x and the whole thing divided by this, and then we have the 8x minus 8x, so it will become negative 128 over 8x minus 16 squared. X equal to 8. Okay, so this one the dx dt is 0 0.01. Okay, so this is the dx dt, and then we have the dy dx when x equal to 8. So we want to find the dy dx when x equal to 8, that is negative 1 to 8 over 8 minus 16 squared. Okay, so we have the negative 1 to 8 divided by 8 squared, so it's negative 2. So the dy dt is the dy dt dx dx. So it's negative 2 times 0.01. It's negative 0.02 units per second. Wait, the dx dt is 0.01. So this one is the uh, differentiation of 8x over x minus 16 when x equal to 8 is negative 2. Yes, negative 2. So negative 2 times 0.01, that is negative 0.02. Oh, but the answer provided is negative 0.08. Then I think my answer is correct.